Hello guys, and welcome back to another class of our course about the complete introduction to marketing with Instagram. So in today's class we are going to talk about Instagram robots. So since in the past few classes we talked about how we can grow our Instagram account, and also we talked about the fact that the more your account grows, the more you need to get active in your Instagram account. A good way to basically not have to do as much work as you think and basically be always on your cell phone posting things is using Instagram robots. So basically this is just an alternative to posting manually. So if you guys don't mind to post manually, you won't necessarily need robots, but you'll see the more you have to post, the more using robots can be a good thing. So let's start. All right, so basically what exactly is an Instagram bot? So basically a robot or an Instagram bot is a tool that is used to automatically perform daily tasks. So let's say, for example, you want to like certain types of profile. So what's going to happen is that this bot will basically like different types of profile based on what exactly you want. So let's say you want, usually you have works with hashtags. So let's say you want to like all the pictures that have hashtag 5 on them. So every time the bot will check out Instagram, and every time that he will spot a picture that has the hashtag 5, for example, it will like the picture. So it's possible to like by pictures, it's possible to like by different things. But basically the bot, this is what it does. It automatically performs daily tasks. It can comment, so it can be used to write down comments on different posts. So if you check out different Instagram posts, you will sometimes see comments that are not, that doesn't look that human, or that you see the same comment on different posts. Basically this, the majority of time, those are bots. So basically people are using those bots to drive traffic to their Instagram account. It can also do different tasks such as follow or unfollow. And what is cool about this is that the quality bots will actually perform tasks really in high quality. So basically it will copy the way that a human being will actually perform those tasks. So it will not just follow 100 people's one shot. It will actually take a time and really follow people based on how a human will work. So basically it will go on Instagram and check out on profiles and then only follow them. Same thing for the unfollow feature. It's not just going to unfollow a lot of accounts. It will take its time. So basically we can see it as an advantage because we don't necessarily have to do all the job by ourselves. But if you guys don't matter, you can do it manually. So the bot quality depends on its reputation. So there are hundreds of bots in the market. But basically finding out the right bot, how exactly you can find a good bot that is a good fit for you for a good price. Usually you just check out online, you can read reviews. I personally will give you some bots that I used in the past that works well, but it depends if you want to put in the money because they're a little bit more expensive, but there are quality. So I have one that is free and one that is, we can say, premium. So usually bots work as humans to not risk having the account limited. So when I'm saying account limited, so as I said a little bit before, if you guys start following a lot of accounts one shot, what's going to happen is that your account will be limited. So you will not be able to follow anymore for, let's say, a one-day period. The limitation can take up to 1 week. So basically if you always bust your limit, what's going to happen is that the limitation will get up to 1 week. So you will not be able to like or follow or comment for, let's say, 1 week. So you have to be careful with the frequency or how fast you follow all the accounts or you like all the accounts. So this is why it's pretty important to, let's say, if you want to follow 200 people in 1 day, take your time. So maybe follow 10 people right now, 10 people in 20 minutes, 10 people in 1 hour, etc., etc., etc. So basically if you follow too fast in one shot, you'll see it's not gonna, your account will always get limited. So it's gonna take you a lot of times to follow a lot of people. So this can be an issue as well. So basically, is Instagram robots widely used? So the straightforward answer is yes. It's really, really, really popular and really used by a lot of accounts. So Instagram also has a politic that is against bots because they want accounts to grow naturally. But a good way to grow your account will be the use of robots. So basically Instagram robots are widely used, and once again, if it's not used for spam purposes but just to help you, let's say, grow your account, it's possible. So basically if you use them just to post pictures, to really not spam other accounts but really like to grow your account slowly and not just DMing everybody with spams, it can be used. This is a good way to use it. So the majority of important Instagram accounts use bots. So basically, as I said, the huge Instagram accounts that have huge audiences, usually they have bots or they have a marketing team that works on their accounts. So they don't necessarily need bots. But some huge accounts that are, I don't know, for example, meme accounts or accounts that drop funny videos or just, I don't know, snow videos or I don't know, cute puppy videos or other things like that. I usually use bots to promote their account because once again, it's something that is simple. They have a lot of pictures and they just drop one picture, and basically the bot will post, let's say, one picture every 5 hours. So they will have one new post every 5 hours. So people who are checking out this account will see that, oh, the account is active. And basically the person does absolutely nothing. The person just owns the bot, program the bot, and basically it runs pretty simply. Instagram robots can extremely simplify the use of this application. So as I said, it's pretty simple to use Instagram with a bot. So when you have a bot, you basically automate every task that you guys do. So instead of manually liking pictures, instead of manually following accounts, you just give it to the bot and the bot will do absolutely all the job. Once again, this is a simple way to do it, but this way costs money. So if you're ready to invest a little bit of money in it, this could be a good way to automate all your tasks. There are some free bots out there, but they're not as performant, or they're really limited in what they can do. So once again, this is up to you. And it's really important to check out the bots for security. So if a bot gives you absolutely everything for free, there is a catch somewhere and maybe they will hack your Instagram account. So you need to check out for reviews if the account is actually legit. Well, not the account, but the bot is actually legit. And if it is, you can take it. So once again, bots can really simplify your life. So Instagram robots are really popular for businesses. So also for small businesses, especially for businesses that do drop shipping. So it could be, for example, clothing brands, high-tech brands, I don't know, any small brand. Basically, instead of having a marketing team that will work on their Instagram and their Facebook, they just have a bot. So they pay a monthly fee for a bot, and this bot will simply post pictures for them, like posts, follow people, unfollow people, and simply do manually what you have to do. So basically, it takes the job of one person at the fraction of the cost. So it maybe can cost I don't know, $20 a month. For them to basically run all those applications. So for high quality bots, it can cost up to $100 a month. But once again, it depends how much you're ready to invest. All right, so let's check out some bots. So right now I have two bots that I like a lot. Once again, I don't really like to suggest products because sometimes, well, I have good experiences and some other people have bad experiences with those products. But I'm gonna share with you two products that I personally used and that works pretty well in my opinion. So let's just take a quick look at them. So here it is. All right, so basically the first bot that I used, this one is free and has a premium version. So as you can see, it's almost 5-star reviews on Google. It's just a Chrome extension. You add it to your Google Chrome. And basically how it works, you simply like, it will simply like other people's pictures. So it's pretty simple to use. You just add it to Chrome and basically it will do automatically the job. So you need to write down tags. And once you write down tags, what's going to happen is that it will automatically like pictures with the use of tags. I personally didn't use it in the past few weeks. So I don't know how it works in 2020 because once again, as I said, Instagram has made the harder life for bots. So basically not all bots have survived on 2020. There's a lot of bots that don't work as well as before. I used it a few months ago and it still worked well. So I used it for almost 2 or 3 years, something like this. So I use it really for a long time to work, well, to promote accounts of my clients and other stuff. And even the free version is pretty powerful. So as I said, it likes pictures, but it's basically with basically this bot that I was able to grow one account from 0 to 6,000. So basically just with the use of one bot that only likes pictures. So I posted quality content, and it was basically an account that I used, yes, as a business account, but also just to see if it works. And yes, you're able to grow an account simply by liking other people's pictures. So yes, it works. So I can suggest you this bot, and I think there is a lot of proof. So over 100,000 users and a pretty good review. So personally works well for me. I don't know how it will work for you, but once again, you have nothing to lose to try it out. It's 100% free, and there is a paid version as well, but you can just stay with the free version. It's pretty good. All right, the second bot is a little bit more expensive, but it's a little bit more professional. So it's called Ingrammer. Once again, it's a little bit more advanced bot. The price comes with it if you guys are ready to put in the money. So basically this thing does pretty much whatever you want. It will target growth features, it has a hashtag generator, it will like, dislike, comment, post. It will do pretty much anything that you want. And it has even more advanced things that are included in it. So basically it's something that is pretty cool. This is a pretty good bot. So when you want to try it out, it's pretty simple. You just get in, you fill everything, and as I said, it's something that in my opinion is worth it if you have a business in that field. So it's not a bad investment if you have a lot of people on Instagram and you want to grow it and you have the budget for it. So how much does it cost? You can check it out. So for a basic version of this bot, it's $37 for 2 weeks, so almost $60 a month. So as you can see, it's not free, and if you want some other features to add it gets pretty expensive pretty fast. So it gets up to $128 per month. So, but once again, if you have the budget to do this, it's because this bot brings you money in. So in my opinion, this is a pretty good option if you guys are ready to put in money. So this is not a bad idea. All right, so I hope you guys understand right now what exactly are bots. And yeah, so that's it for this class, guys, and see you all in our next class.